This is the Gadget Guy testing the Parrot MINIKIT in the car with the top up. I'm going about 40 miles an hour. Testing 1, 2, 3. My radar detector's going off. That's the chirp you hear. Testing 1, 2, 3. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That's the Parrot MINIKIT with the top up. This is the Gadget Guy calling on the Parrot MINIKIT in the convertible with the top down now, going about 40 miles an hour. And testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That's the Parrot MINIKIT in the Cabrio with the top down, about 40 miles an hour.